ब्रेकिंग न्यूज आ रही है। बड़ी खबर यह है कि मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्री स्मृति ईरानी ने बड़ी बात कही है। दलित छात्र की खुदकुशी पर मानव संसाधन मंत्री स्मृति ईरानी ने सफाई दी है। दलित गैर दलित का विवाद नहीं है ये स्मृति ईरानी का कहना है। इसके अलावा खुदकुशी को जाति की लड़ाई बनाया जा रहा है। सुसाइड नोट में किसी दल, संस्था या सांसद का नाम नहीं है। नियम के हिसाब से 5 छात्रों पर कार्रवाई की गई। किसी भी सांसद का नाम सुसाइड नोट में नहीं मिला है। छात्र की मौत से मैं भी आहत हूं। कमेटी ने छात्रों पर कार्रवाई को सही ठहराया है। मां और मंत्री होने के नाते दुखी हूं, और क्या कुछ कहा है स्मृति ईरानी ने, सुनिए।
हेलो।
मिनिस्टर फॉर सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट श्री थावर चंद गहलोत जी, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज फॉर कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण।
However, much has ensued since then. Unfortunately, because of a lot of misrepresentation of facts, I am compelled today to put forth certain observations, certain facts which have been gained from the ground in the larger public interest. On the 3rd, 4th August 2015, an FIR registered indicates that a group of students, one group belonging to the Ambedkar Students Association, allegedly attacked another student. We have ascertained and we express today publicly that this is not a Dalit versus non-Dalit confrontation, as has been the efforts of some to ignite passions. The student who was attacked on the night of the 4th of August himself is an OBC student. An FIR with regards to the same was lodged. I am sure the state police will give you the details of the same. The proctoral board of the university inquired into the matter. However, it came to the fore in the first report that they did not consult either party. They were asked to consult all parties and submit their reports and findings. This is the information we have received from the university itself. The university has further informed us that the Executive Council, which is a statutory body under the University of Hyderabad Act 1974, in its meeting held, upheld the punishment given. Meanwhile, the student who was attacked on the night of the 3rd and 4th of August, his mother filed a case in the High Court. And the High Court ordered that an action taken report be submitted with regards to the same. The Executive Council subcommittee, headed by a senior most professor, and here again I am compelled to report that this professor is himself from the Dalit community. It was constituted and it upheld the punishments and the recommendation of expulsion of these students. However, the full Executive Council in its meeting held on the 27th of November took a lenient view and decided to permit the students access to all the department's library academic meetings, but not in the hostel, public places and administration. This also was communicated to the High Court. The warden who communicated to the students asking them to vacate the hostel, again I am compelled to say the warden himself is from the Dalit community. These students challenged the order of suspension from the hostel before the High Court. The High Court did not agree to stay the punishment.
छात्र की मौत से मैं आहत हूं। जाति की लड़ाई बनाया जा रहा है खुदकुशी को। किसी भी सांसद का नाम नहीं था, किसी संस्थान का नाम नहीं था। जो भी सुसाइड नोट मिला है, ये कहना है स्मृति ईरानी का।